Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is a short video about the Tidradio TD-H9. I'm gonna disassemble the radio and see what is inside the device. Let's detach the battery, detach the antenna, and screw these two rings and 4 bolts right here. Inside the radio you can see the parameters for the speaker: 8 ohms, 2 watts. This is screen, buttons, GPS antenna, connector for GPS antenna, H9 Plus version 1.2, the microphone. Let's unsolder the antenna and screw these bolts and see the opposite side of the main board. Let's unsolder the antenna and see what is on the opposite side of the main board. Let's see closely. TD-H9 amplifiers. Let's see, HTL 7G06 S011P. The main chip is BK 4819. Under this metal cover you can find the chip AT6558. N32. This chip for GPS or another type of navigation satellites, and right here you can see the antenna connector for GPS antenna. This one.
Welcome.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.